Hey guys, today we're going to teach you how to make crispy on the outside and fluffy on the inside churro bowls. To get started, add 1 cup of water to a hot skillet. Add in 3 tablespoons of salted butter, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of white granulated sugar, and lastly 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Mix in all the ingredients until your butter is all dissolved. Allow all your ingredients to come to a simmer. Now for the dry ingredients, add 1 cup of sifted flour. Remember to keep stirring until you no longer see any flour, as you want your flour to cook thoroughly. Keep your heat on medium-low, not too high, and it should start forming into a dough. Should start forming into dough, not a dough. Now time to take your dough off the heat and allow it to cool in a separate bowl. We recommend sort of separating and mashing the dough to allow it to cool even faster. After about 8 minutes or so, or once your dough is cool to the touch, add in 3 eggs, but make sure it's cool as you don't want to scramble your eggs. Your dough should be clump-free and ready for your piping bag. We used a star tip to pipe. Grease the back of your cupcake or muffin tin. Pipe around the molds, making bowls. We also recommend not piping side by side as they can get stuck together. It's okay if you have openings in between the swirls as the dough expands when it cooks, or if you'd like, you can go back and fill in the holes. Freeze overnight, or if you can't wait for the next day, freeze for at least 4 hours. This part is optional, but if you'd like an apple filling, here are the steps. Core your apple or remove the seeds. We use 2 apples for this recipe. Peel the entire skin off. Dice your apples into small cubes. Add your apples to a deep pot. Add 3 tablespoons of salted butter, 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. Add in ½ teaspoon of nutmeg and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, and ½ teaspoon of allspice. Lastly, add the juice of half a lemon. Cook until it thickens and it starts to make its own caramel sauce. Before frying your bowls, allow them to sit out for 8 minutes and gently remove them from the tin. Fill in a pot halfway with vegetable oil. Fry one side until golden brown and then flip it. Remove once both sides are golden brown and allow excess oil to drip. For the cinnamon sugar coating, add in ½ cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. Add your sugar coating to your bowls while they're still hot. To start assembling, add in your hot apple filling. Add in 1 scoop of vanilla bean ice cream. We also have an alternative option where you can sandwich your churros. Start by piping rosettes onto a silicone surface. And fry your churro rosettes until golden brown. And just like the bowls, remove the excess oil. Coat in the same cinnamon sugar mixture we made. Now grab your favorite ice cream and sandwich in between 2 churros. And that was it, guys. Of course, the original churros are always delicious, but we thought we would give you guys a little twist. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you in our next video. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like. Let us know what other recipes you'd like for us to make, and we will do it.